In this video, we're going to show you how to clean the buildup of hair products, sebum and dead skin cells on your hairbrush and combs. First, remove the hair on the hairbrush using your hands to gently pull the hair out, or by using a pick. This pick is from the end of a teasing comb. Alternatively, you can also try using scissors. After you've removed the hair from the hairbrushes, soak the hairbrushes and combs with some shampoo and warm water. Swish and swirl them in the water for a little bit and give them some time to soak. Avoid soaking wood brushes as it could damage the wood. Once they've been soaked for a while, remove the hairbrushes and combs and rinse them with clean warm water. Make sure to rinse thoroughly. Place the hairbrushes and combs on a dry clean towel to air dry. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.